Welcome to my third tutorial in this short video series about teacher creativity. In this video, we will look a little more into the concept of an audience and how various audience members can influence how we interact and engage creativity in our practice of teaching and learning. However, before we do, let's recap that creativity is the production of new and useful outcomes as they relate to a social context. And in the last tutorial, we introduced the social context for teacher creativity as being the classroom environment represented by this box. And inside that box, we have audience members, we have affordances, we have the actions, and we have the outcomes from those actions. And when facilitating teacher creativity, we need to consider how the teacher interacts with all these different factors. In this tutorial, we're looking at influential audience members, like fellow teachers who might be colleagues from the same department or mentors or mentees, collaborators, and support staff. Fellow teachers will influence how we view and approach problems. They will also influence ideas and what we think about those ideas. So their impact to us is important when we consider efforts to promote teacher creativity as part of any series of professional learning. Another important audience group is, of course, students. And we need to remember that students are not the same. They have different needs, different wants, and will respond and interact with the outcome we produce in many different ways. That's why I utilize some design thinking principles in my work, such as empathy and using data to validate ideas. Finally, the administration is another influential audience group that will impact how we identify and approach problems in the classroom environment. Things like teacher evaluations, school priorities, perceived preferences, and the overall school culture will impact how we engage creativity and the type of outcomes we choose to pursue. These audience groups are the main groups to consider when making an effort to promote and facilitate teacher creativity in the classroom. Next up, we'll be looking at affordances.